Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this brand new keyboard. It is a gaming keyboard. It is done by RiiTek and is modeled RK300. Again, you can see that the box is really nicely designed. Doesn't have much markings with just two little stickers. One of them indicates what's the model number and some more information. The other one indicates that it is RiiTek genuine keyboard. Alright, so let's get it unboxed. You can see that the unboxing part of it is just the unit itself with a plastic, and inside of it you will find a user manual. Alright, so let's go first to the user manual. Just have the actual name, and also it says 7 color backlit, and also it is a gaming keyboard. And then going inside of it, it just have some overview. It has the package content and also the product image, how it looks. And if you go to the back part of it, it talks about the illustration and also system requirement, and that's about it. Doesn't have much more into it except a last page that has their picture, so you can scan to your phone, so you can go to their website, and this way you can catch what else they have. And by the way, these guys are really mainly set up for gaming keyboards and also Android keyboards. They have a big name in the keyboard section in the world. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, so this way you're going to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, click the like button, smash it. Also, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We really love to help you out ASAP. Alright, so going to the keyboard itself, it looks really nice. It has resin really much. It looks really good. And going around it, it is nice and shiny. It made out of plastic, by the way. And then once you go to the front part of it, you have full keyboard. And then on one side of it, you have the numeric numbers, which we really require when you're using it on Windows. And I want to mention that this is preferred to be used with the Windows environment. Doesn't matter if going back to Windows Vista, then going back to Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, and then Windows 10, and to the latest one, I should say. This works perfect. If you want to use this with your Android boxes, I have tested it and it works. If you are asking for Xbox and also PS4, it's not been tested. I do not know if it's going to work, but going around it, it is beautiful. You can see it has all the keys set up, Windows keys there too, and also functions key work perfectly. But going to the front part, you have one button to turn on the backlit, which is a rainbow color, 7 colors backlit, and to turn it off. That's about it. You cannot change the colors to be different colors or anything. You can see it right now that I'm trying, but it doesn't work. Again, this is not created so you can change colors, but this is perfect with the keystrokes, so that way it would work perfectly with your gaming on your PC. Except that the wire that is part of it is very flexible. It feels like it comes apart, but it's not. And also it has the USB 2.0 connection, so you can connect it to your computer properly. Beside that, it is beautiful. I really like this. I recommend everybody to get one of these on their table. It is inexpensive. Links will be available where you can order it from. And if you want to know more about this keyboard or any other keyboard that RiiTek have, links will be available in the bottom of this video. Except that, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also make sure to visit our website, which is xitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.